welcome to the August edition of Project Data Science News. We've got two things on the agenda today. First up, we're going to be looking at a Python package, PyForest, and then second of all, we're going to be looking at an article I found on making data-driven solutions. Let's get into it.
So let's jump straight in with this PyForest package. Now, let's suppose we want to create a logistic regression classifier on some insurance data we've got. So I've opened a new script here in Spyder, that's Anaconda's distribution of Python. We want to start off by doing some just very basic exploratory analysis. So I don't know how many files I've got or exactly where they are or what they contain. So let's just start off by having a look. So I'm just opening up all the routes and directories and files using OSWalk. And I know I want to go back one directory and then into the CSV folder. And then we're just going to have a look at files for the time being. So we run this and you see in the IPython console, OS is not defined. Oh yeah, damn. That was intentional. That was actually intentional. Import OS. Okay, it's all good. And you can see there's a file, insurance_sample.csv. And if we looked in the file explorer, yes, okay, that's good. So everything looks right. Now let's load our data frame. Now we know where this file is. So we're going to use pandas and read CSV. We know where the file is. So we want to go back into CSV and then the thing's called insurance_sample.csv. And there's four things I want to look at. So I want to look at the top. So the headers, and if you leave it blank in the brackets, it gives you five of the top rows. Okay, let's look at the bottom. So this is tail, and I actually want to look at a bit more than 5. I want to look at 10 of the bottom rows. I'm also interested in the types here. So this is D types. And then some of the basic statistics as well. So that's describe. All right, and then let's have a look at all these things. So top, bottom, the types, and then finally describe. Okay, we run it. Damn, PD is not defined. Oh yes, we need to import pandas as PD. Okay, so wherever you see PD, here, it loads the pandas package. Okay, brilliant. So there's the file we originally found. Here's the headers and the first 5 rows, and then there's the last 10 rows. These are all the data types we have, and then we have our basic statistics as well from describe. So if I restart the kernel, I'm going to delete these two. Okay, if I run it, the kernel's just restarting. Immediately we get an error, the same error we had before. If I open the Anaconda prompt, and I'm happy to pip install this anywhere globally. Forest, there we go. So it's not going to break anything else, and I want to use it everywhere. So I had actually previously downloaded it, so it's installed very quickly. Let's minimize that. We run it, it still won't work. Okay, let's indent it a little bit, and then we just need from PyForest. Why can can I not type forest? We import star. So this just imports all the basic packages. And if you've ever used Python, then you know that OS and pandas are extremely common. So it imports loads of those for you, but not all of them. It only imports the one you use, and you can see it's run perfectly. So that's all. So I just wanted to highlight how useful this can be. You don't have to load all your packages. There's also a way of printing out, if you use active_imports, you can show which packages you've loaded, which is also useful if you're using TensorFlow or something. Yeah, I think it's really, really useful. You only need to remember one line as opposed to lots. So finally, I wanted to talk about this article I found by William Kammer. Now, it is a little bit old. It was January 2019, but I thought it made quite an interesting read, so I thought I'd share it with you guys. So it talks about, why data-driven decision-making is really important in this content environment. So he talks about things like the digital landscape and why it's really important to understand the relationship between data and your search engine optimizers, and also to walk through this really interesting case study and why data-driven search engine optimizers can really improve your customer experience. So it's about a 5-minute read, and I think it's really worth it.